Alright, so we have a sloth. He is at rest, so he is not moving. He is going to accelerate at an unknown rate until he reaches his top speed of 0.07 meters per second, and he's going to do that over a distance of 5 meters. So our sloth starts out from rest, he speeds up at some unknown rate, he gets up to 0.07 meters per second. So making our list of knowns and unknowns, we know that the sloth has a initial velocity of v sub I of 0 because he's starting at rest. So our v sub I is 0. We know that his v sub f, his final speed, is going to be 0.07 meters per second. And we know that the distance he's traveling is 5 meters. And we are looking for how many seconds, so how much time. So we've got initial velocity, we've got final velocity, we've got distance, we're looking for time. We don't know anything about acceleration, so acceleration is missing in action. So we're going to use the equation d equals v sub I plus v sub f divided by 2 times t. So this is one of our newer equations, and we're solving for t. So to solve for t, we need to get t by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by everything inside the parentheses. V sub I plus v sub f divided by 2. We're going to divide both sides by that whole thing. So we're going to get t equals d divided by v sub I plus v sub f divided by 2. Well, when we divide by a fraction, we're really multiplying by its reciprocal. So that 2 is going to climb up top. And so we're going to get 2d divided by v sub I plus v sub f. And so all we have to do is plug and chug, and we should get our final answer.